Keto bread is a low-carbohydrate alternative to traditional bread, tailored specifically for those following a ketogenic diet. This diet emphasizes high fats and low carbs, aiming to put the body in a state of ketosis where it burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. Keto bread substitutes common bread ingredients like wheat flour with low-carb alternatives such as almond flour or coconut flour. These flours, combined with binders like xanthan gum or psyllium husk, help mimic the texture of regular bread while keeping the carb count minimal. Through this composition, keto bread supports dietary restrictions without sacrificing the pleasure of eating bread. Keto bread and regular bread differ fundamentally in their ingredient composition, directly impacting their carbohydrate content and effects on blood sugar. Unlike regular bread, which typically uses high-carb wheat flour, keto bread uses low-carb alternatives like almond or coconut flour. This significant reduction in carb content is crucial for maintaining the state of ketosis in a ketogenic diet. Furthermore, the low-carb nature of keto bread causes a much smaller spike in blood sugar levels, making it a better option for people managing diabetes or those seeking to stabilize their energy levels throughout the day. The cornerstone ingredients of keto bread include almond flour, coconut flour, and psyllium husk, each serving a unique purpose. Almond flour, rich in proteins and fats, offers a moist texture and nutty flavor, while coconut flour provides a lighter consistency and aids in binding due to its high fiber content. Psyllium husk, a crucial component, absorbs moisture and adds volume to the bread, mimicking the elasticity and texture of gluten in traditional bread. These key ingredients are vital for creating a bread that aligns with the ketogenic diet, supporting both taste and nutritional needs. Keto bread is celebrated for its health benefits, primarily due to its low carbohydrate content, which is instrumental in managing blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for diabetic diets. By reducing carb intake, it helps maintain lower and more stable glucose levels, preventing spikes that are common with high-carb foods. Additionally, keto bread supports weight management strategies. Its high fiber and protein content help in promoting satiety, reducing overall calorie consumption by curbing cravings and prolonging feelings of fullness. This makes keto bread not just a dietary substitute but a beneficial component for a health-conscious lifestyle. Making keto bread at home is a straightforward process that requires just a few key ingredients and simple steps. Begin by combining almond or coconut flour with binding agents like eggs and psyllium husk to give the bread structure and elasticity. Optionally, incorporate fats like butter or oil for added moisture. Mix these together until the dough is consistent, then pour into a bread mold. Bake until golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean. This homemade keto bread not only caters to dietary restrictions but also ensures a fresh, preservative-free loaf perfect for various meals and snacks.